All right, killers, I'm back, and it is not the next day. It is almost a week later. It rained, and rained some more, and then I went to Fort Takeover for the weekend. So now I'm back, and I'm gonna flip you around and show you what's. So you know, that's all installed and everything like that. I wanted to note that mine has this. My ST has this sensor. It's a pressure sensor, so I reused that hose. This is the hose that they send for you to replace it. They recommend buying a brand new one, but I did not. I was able to reuse mine. But moving on, we are going to install the Mishimoto catch can. This is the swag bag, so I'm going to go through all this. I've already looked through it, but I wanted to show what they sent me. So, you know, a couple catalogs or brochures. This letter right here is, you know, the instructions of what they expect from me for, you know, sponsoring. Pretty nice koozie, nice lanyard, some stickers that I will be putting on the vehicle, and an air freshener that smells really nice. He's probably looking like, I cannot believe they sponsored this dude. Anyway, let's unbox this, shall we? Alright, so unboxing. Alright, use both hands so I didn't stab myself. Package is very nice. This is just another some pamphlets and another air freshener. I assume this is probably the catch can itself and the new plumbing. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's get it on. Right here, everything is sprawled out on the table. There's the bracket. There's some nut certs, hose clamps, the actual catch can, some fittings for the catch can, and the plumbing. And well, obviously I'm gonna have to put them on. They screw into here, and these are O-rings. Focus. O-rings, so you do not need to tighten them like really tight. You just got to get them snug to seat the O-ring. So I'm going to go ahead and get this assembled. Alright, I got them put on. I'm going to tighten these up with a 17mm, and then I got to take these off because these are actually what hold it onto the bracket. Got them little guys out using a 2.5mm Allen wrench, or Allen key, whatever you want to call it. Put them off to the side, and then I'm gonna have to go underneath the hood and install these. These just go on the fan shroud, and then we'll take off the PCV hose. You'll see these little guys right there, here, and here. Those are just gonna slide over top. Very convenient. I like the way this is put together. This is making life really simple. There we go. Next is take that hose off. That's just some little pain in the butt fittings. Now, I don't know what your situation is going to be, but mine, I can put this on before I install the bracket. The way I was instructed to do so, you install the bracket and then the catch can, but I think that I can put this on without issue. Yes, I mean, it goes right on. I don't know if it's because I have extra room because of the AFE. I'm not sure, but I'm going to go ahead and put that on right now. Those get tightened down with a 10mm. Alright, that's all I'm left with is just the hoses. This one is the one that goes to the intake. This is the one that actually goes to the valve cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and start fishing this through. Obviously it's got to go up underneath the intake, and yeah, I'm gonna take both hands and route this, and I'll show you afterwards. There it is. It's very obvious on how it is supposed to be routed. When you click that in, it'll be a audible click. Now I'm gonna get that side, route it from here to there. That is the I think it's what they would consider the out, and that is the in. So the in goes there, out to there. All right, well, there it is, final product. Very clean look, very well put together. I like how it is remote mounted. I like how it has a drain plug. I like how you can just basically just loosen those up if you need to. You can, there's a lot of options here. Like, you could, if you really wanted to, you could probably customize this to where you could put like a pitcock in the bottom where the drain plug is and run a hose to the bottom, like every time you change your oil or something. That way you could be a little bit even, you can even be lazier with this kit. I really like this. Good on you, Mishimoto. That's going to do it for this video, killers. I hope you like what I'm doing out here. Big shout out to Mishimoto for sponsoring the build. I'm really enjoying the AFE. The turbo sounds are pretty cool. Who doesn't like whoosh noises and whoosh noises? Don't mind me, I'm goofy. Future content coming up. There will be an oil change on the ST. Notice there's not very many videos about that. Gonna be back at that guy right there, getting all the brakes, the brake hoses ran and brake lines ran. Gonna be deleting the ABS, obviously, ABS module, all that stuff. A lot of weight reduction. We're gonna get this car back together soon. Also gonna start jumping back onto the SN95, the 97 Cobra convertible. I'm gonna jump back on that. Basically because I know it's not fast, but I need to hear some V8 rumble, because the S197 is nowhere near ready to be done. I'm looking forward to the fall is what I'm thinking. The S197 is going to be done. I got a couple more things I got to buy, a couple things I got to straighten out. It's going to take a little time. Anyway, if you like what I'm doing, please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all that other good stuff. I'm not even going to pretend to be a good YouTuber because I don't even remember what to say. I'll see y'all in the next one.